guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a kind of under the weather Princess Polly haul. So this video is in partnership with Princess Polly. A lot of you guys have actually asked me to do another haul from there, so I'm really excited to be bringing you guys this stuff. I'm just going to share with you guys the trends I've been loving going into kind of like, dare I say, like warmer weather. I know it's January, but I'm already thinking about springtime. So if you like these type of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I would absolutely love to have you. But with that being said, let's just get into the try on haul. Hey guys, let's just hit pause on this video for a quick second. I'm currently editing and I forgot to mention that any of the ad revenue that I make on this video, I will be donating directly to help aid the fires that are happening currently right now in Australia. If you haven't looked up any info about it, it's absolutely devastating what is happening to their wildlife and to the people that have been pushed out of their homes. So I feel like that with Princess Polly being Australian, it would be just right for me to help their home country and everything that's happening there right now. So I just wanted to say that before the beginning of this video. My thoughts are with anyone and their families who are living in Australia right now and are dealing with this, as well as the wildlife there as well. I just want to do what I can, and yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. So let's just continue on this video. I'm also going to link some resources in my Instagram and probably in the comments as well. Okay, bye y'all. So I love Princess Polly for like more on trend finds. I think that they're really fun if you're looking for some extra pieces to spice up your vacation wardrobe, or just like on trend pieces to go out in with the girls. Like I think there's just like a lot of possibilities, and even though I picked up some wild pieces, kind of like the one I'm wearing right now, I think that there are so many things that you could wear like completely different ways, and I just want to show you guys the possibilities with all of these pieces. I have to bring up the first piece that I am wearing. It's actually not meant to be worn this way. It's meant to be worn turned around, so you guys will see it in the try on portion, but it's basically this mesh long sleeve like tiger tie top. So you can wear this so many different ways. And the way I have it right now is worn backwards, so I'm actually just wearing it as if it was like a regular long sleeve, but in the back there's kind of a party. I really like tops like this right now, and I think that because it's versatile, I can kind of justify having it in my wardrobe. It's also a really good option if you need to cover your shoulders for a certain event, but you're not sure what to pair with like a little black dress. I think that this would be great. I got this in Australian size 6, and I love the fit. Next piece I want to show you guys is a couple sweaters. The first one I have here, I actually wore this quite a bit on my Instagram and you guys have been loving it. It's basically just a super cropped fuzzy sweater. I got this in a size medium to large because I was hoping that it would be a little bit longer, but it's really meant to be super cropped. I think that this is just a really good go-to layering piece with a pair of like high-waisted jeans, kind of like the one I'm wearing. But yeah, nothing bad to say about this. I think it's super cute. I think this could look really great with like dresses over top of them because it gives you that layer without being too bulky. I noticed that polos and collars are going to be really in style for the upcoming months, and Princess Polly has so many of them. I actually kind of thrift flipped this version of the top in my thrifting without checking the prices video, but today I want to show you guys the real deal. It is this Princess Polly top in an extra small / small. It's just super slouchy, super fun, and I actually wore it in one of my videos lately. You guys have been asking about it too. You guys know I can't resist a cream sweater. Okay, so this is something you guys may not know about me. I blast Whitney Houston at least once a week. Dylan knows this about me. I just love Whitney Houston. I love 80s music, and when I saw this shirt on Princess Polly, I had to choose it. It's just this Whitney Houston graphic. I just love it. Horse vibe, just everything about it. I got this in a size large for that more oversized fit. I actually wore this in a video recently and you guys seem to really like it. If you guys love this icon, Miss Houston, as much as I do, I feel like this is so the shirt for you. I know a lot of people get a lot of flack when they're wearing shirts with like bands on them, and people are always like, do you even know like 5 songs from them? Let's all show some love for Whitney here. I love this top. Do I know if he really loves me? The next 2 items are the black items that I kind of chose to wear together because I think they'd be super cute. I actually wore this on Instagram already, guys. I couldn't resist before filming this haul. There's just so many cute things in here. The first is just this little black tee. I got this in an Australian size 6 or a US 2. Fits super cute. I love this. It's really cropped, which makes it perfect for high-waisted pants. that I have here today. A lot of you guys like this pair of leather pants that I wear all the time, but they're currently sold out, and I thought that this would be a really great option for those of you who are looking for a style like that. They just zip up in the back, and I got these in a US 4 just because I wasn't sure about the sizing. I normally wear a size 2, and I probably could have went with the 2, but the 4 fits really well as well. I think that these are going to look really nice with boots, like how I wore them in that photo, or you can wear them with sneakers, a big oversized crew neck, and just how good to go. Especially when you're going out to the bar in the winter and you want to stay warm but still want to look like freaking hot. I think that this is awesome. I got this classic camisole, and this is the only thing I actually haven't tried on yet, and I got this in again a US 2, and I just like how delicate it is. I think it really makes a good layering piece with cardigans underneath. I wear cardigans a lot, and I noticed that I definitely need some camisoles to wear underneath them, which is why I picked this one up. It's just simple, delicate, super adorable. And then this is like the antithesis of the last top. I got this snakeskin top, and this is from a brand called Jagger and Stone. This I got in a size US 4, I believe, and it has like the corset kind of lace-up detailing in the back, which I really like, but I want to bring some more like animal print and some more fun items into my wardrobe. I wear a lot of neutrals, and I think that something like this would spice it up. You can wear this on a night in the town with these pants, and I think that would look so stinking cute. Or you could just wear this with, what the heck? Or you could just wear this on its own with like, they actually have matching pants for this, which I wasn't able to pick up, but I think that whole ensemble is super adorable. Or you can, I'm not having my day with this top. Then I had to show you guys this last item, and I'm really excited about it because I don't have one right now, and it's like this like trucker style corduroy jacket. I love this in particular because I know it will be warm, because what kind of frustrates me about jackets like this is sometimes only the collar is lined, or just like this side, but the whole thing, like even inside the sleeves, is lined, and I think that's very good to know for all of you who are wondering about this jacket. I got it in a US size 2, and I don't have anything kind of light that would match, you know, white denim or like more girly dresses, and I think that this would be a really great layering piece. I may bring this to New York with me because I think it'll go with a lot of looks that I'm planning to put together, but yeah, head on over to my Instagram and see how I style this jacket. I also have a coupon code for your Princess Polly order. I'm gonna leave it here in the description box below. You can save some cash, and let me know what you guys pick up and which one was your favorite piece, because there's so many cute things on that website right now. I also want to thank Princess Polly again for sponsoring this haul. Yeah, it's just really fun to kind of mix it up for you guys and find some fun pieces that aren't just gray, white, and black like I normally wear. Okay guys, that's the end of this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye y'all!